Welcome to the world of the zoo. Now it's time for the animals to sleep peacefully. Would you like to spend this lovely evening with them? Let's see who's still awake. Hello, little monkey. They've been playing in the trees all day, and now they're feeling tired. Could you say goodnight to the monkeys and wish them sweet dreams? Good night, little monkey. Hello, elephant. It's been strolling around the grasslands all day, and now it's ready to close its eyes. Could you say goodnight to the elephant and wish it sweet dreams? Good night. Hello, hippo. It's been swimming leisurely in the water all day, and now it's time to rest. Could you help the hippo lay down comfortably and wish it good night? Good night. Hello, giraffe. It's been munching on leaves all day, and now it's closed its long eyes. Could you say good night to the giraffe and wish it pleasant dreams? Good night. Hello, lion. It's been patrolling the savannah all day, and now it's feeling sleepy. Could you say good night to the lion and wish it sweet dreams? Good night. Hello, zebra. It's been running and grazing all day, and now it's time to rest. Could you help the zebra lay down comfortably and wish it good night? Good night, zebra. Hello, panda. It's been lazily eating bamboo in the bamboo forest, and now it's closed its eyes. Could you say good night to the panda and wish it wonderful dreams? Good night, panda. Hello, tiger. It's been napping in the shade all day, and now it's time for it to rest. Could you help the tiger lay down comfortably and say good night? Good night. Hello, flamingo. It's been flying in the sky all day, and now it's ready to sleep peacefully. Could you say good night to the flamingo and wish it sweet dreams? Good night, flamingo. All the animals have laid down, quietly falling asleep. Now it's your turn to close your eyes and dream of